welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha Vinod Jain, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And today's video is all about the heels that I got from Ajio. मैंने Instagram पे story डाली थी ये पूछते हुए कि कौन सा haul कर रही हो next. Whether it is a heel haul or a bottoms haul, most of you all answered heel, and it is correct. And yes, I'm doing a heel haul video. मैंने अपने चैनल पे पहले ये कभी नहीं किया है. This is the first time I'm doing it. I've made a big blunder. I have ordered a wrong size, I've ordered wrong size for like every heel that I've got, and I don't know. I ordered like in UK 4 and EU 37. I think I'm EU 39 or 40 and like UK 7, 6 or 7 something. But like I've ordered in size UK 4 and I thought I would be able to give a try on haul with these heels and all of. I was so excited till yesterday, and now I'm like, oh god, I've ordered wrong size for every heel. I don't know how. I ordered EU 37 thinking what? I don't know. I'm so sorry about the blunder I've made with the sizes. I'm not going to be able to give you all a try on haul video, but like I'm gonna give a close up so that you all can see it clearly how the heels look like and what they are. If you're interested, please keep on watching, and without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So the first heel is like amazing. It is from this brand called UniQuest. I've got a really nice packing for this one. बाकी सबका थोड़ा हालत खराब है boxes का, but this one was actually packaged in a very nice way. So these are the heels. These are the heels. I really like the pattern and the kind of heels they are. I don't know what this is called, what this kind of heel is called, but I really love such heels in so many hauls, and all of them have recommended these, and I finally got my hands on these ones. So these are black in color and have a squared shape toe, or these don't have like a nice lining craved on them, so grip nahi hoga. They do have a lining craved on them, but बहुत prominent नहीं है. This kind of heels might have a problem with grip, but I don't think they will, because like the size of the heel is like very short. I got these heels in the black color, and the heel height is I think 2 inches, and I got this for rupees 809 or some. I actually love the color, the shine, the pattern of the heel, this toe shape. I don't know what this is called. So these heels are going to be so comfortable because it has a cushion in here, like if you all can see. And the making of this heel is so good. The material is amazing, and I think it is sticked very properly. But if at all you're dicey that it might come off or wear off, you can go to a cobbler and have it stitched again. So I'm gonna give this a nice 8.5 on 10. So the next heel that I got from Ajio is from Evercupid, and I've got the box in a broken form. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3. Oh my god, just look at these beauties. This is the kind of heel that I got from Evercupid, and I love the quality. This right here, I love the pattern. I wanted this kind of heel from so long. I love this particular heel because I love the color. First of all, I love this grayish bluish color, and like the heel is in 3-inch I guess, and I love the cushion right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is going to be very comfortable because first of all, this is a kitten heel. Below this pattern, there's a cushion inside so that your foot will not hurt. Amazing, right? These heels are like very comfortable. The quality, the material, the heel size, the heel pattern, everything about this heel is so nice. I got this for rupees 8110, and I would like to give this heel a 9 on 10. Yeah. So the next heel I got was in like very bad packaging. Like you all can see it. I got it like this. These are the heels. And I love them. Just look at the glow. These are stilettos that I got in the nude pink color. Love the crisscross pattern of these heels because I love in general crisscross pattern. Now the only thing that I find problematic is these holes. If this don't fit you perfectly, then it will be loose for your like leg. I love the strip strap of the heel, but like I don't know, there's something coming off from here. Like if you all can see, this might come off, so cannot say anything. The pattern wise, the glow, the color and everything of the heel is amazing. And talking about the back, there is no lining thing here, so you might not have the grip. When you're on a tile or something, it might be slippery, so that is that. And I think it doesn't even have the cushion here. थोड़ा है, but इतना भी नहीं है कि comfortable feel ho. And I got this for rupees 794 only. So yeah, I'll give this heel a 7.5 on 10. So the next heel I got from Ajio is from the same brand that I got my last heel from, MFT something. I am not able to pronounce it, so I'm not even going to give it a try. But like these are black stilettos and they are amazing. Look at them. They are so nice, so amazing. Look at these beauties. Oh my god. They are so amazing. This will go with everything, like from my one piece to my gowns to my jeans and like everything. Skirts. First things first, I love the quality and how classic they look. Like they have a cushion and like a very nice cushion. I'm not even kidding. Like, can you all see? It has an amazing cushion and I love the way these heels are made. Like they are so finely made, and it also have a lining thing here. You all will have a grip with these heels. I got this for 809 rupees and I think it is completely worth it for a quality like this. Amazing. So I will give this a nice 9.5 on 10. Heels that I got from Ajio is again from Peekaboo. It is an Ajio exclusive brand. Look at them. Like they have a croc print detail and they are really nice for festive wear actually. And these are block heels, so they might not even trouble you. These are going to be very comfortable because also because it has a cushion thing here. But about the grip, there is no grip. So problem I have with these heels are like these are not movable. Like it is what it is, and you might again have a problem with these. So again, it is solvable. I think this heel is a little okayish because I tried wearing it and these strap, I didn't find them nice. It was itching my toe. Although I love the pattern and the look of the heel, I don't love the quality. I got this for rupees 640 and I think it is quite reasonable for this price. Maybe it was hurting my foot because I've ordered a wrong size. It might be the case, I don't know. But still, if you like it, give it a try. All these products that I've ordered are returnable. So I would like to give these heels a 6 on 10. Yeah. Next heels are kind of flat. They have a chunky heel. So I've been telling it for like all of the heels. But these are my absolute favorite out of all the heels I've got because these are really comfortable and everyday wear kind of a pair. What a rhyme I've created. Oh my god. Coming back to the heel. So the next that I have are these heels. Just look at them. Oh my god. so nice. These are like so nice. You all can't even imagine the kind of quality it is in. The quality is so nice. Again, there's no grip thing here. So at the heel, the chunky heel has the grip. But never mind, I love the quality. It is so amazing. I love the colors. I love the pattern. And I love how it is. Wear these anywhere, like with anything, for daily wear, for college, and these are going to be so comfortable. I got this for rupees 543 and I think it is quite nice for the price. A 10 on 10 for these heels. I love them. I love the price. I love the quality. I love the color. I love the heel. So moving on to the next heel, I've got a black chunky heel again. I actually loved what I saw in the picture, then I'm seeing it here, because like these heels are a little messed up with a white kind of a powdery thing, if you all can see. Scratches also on the heel. This is how it looks, but like it could have been of a better quality, I think. But I got it in this kind of a condition. You might not. So if you all love the pattern, you all must give it a try. I love the pattern actually. ये देखकर ही मैंने ये heel order की थी, like. And I also love the idea of the block heel. These are going to be very comfortable and wearable. Again, black hai to classic hai. You can wear it with everything and anything, and it's gonna look stylish. So I love it. But इसमें कोई cushion bed नहीं है. They have given these lines for grip. But like, if you think of the quality, the kind of making of these heels, making is really nice. These straps won't come off, but I think it could have been of better quality, because there's something धूल मिट्टी है या क्या है, I don't know. But yeah, there are also some scratches, if you all can see. यहाँ पर नहीं है, but इस वाले पैर पे है. So yeah, I got this for rupees 750. Overall, I think it is a nice heel because pattern अच्छा है, color अच्छा है, and ठीक ठाक ही आया condition में. So I think I'll give this a 7.5 on 10. So the last heel that you're coming across is this MFT. Again, I won't try to pronounce this name because I've tried it a trillion times. And like I'm pronouncing something else, I don't know, it's sounding weird. So I actually love both of these brands from Ajio, which are like Ajio exclusive, Peekaboo and this MFT one. I love them. They are providing a really nice heels, shoes for a reasonable price. So this is the last heel that I've got in store for y'all. These heels. These are block heels, very comfortable. The straps are amazing, but I think there's a problem with this chunky thing. It is kind of coming off, but in a very small amount, but it is yet coming off. These are very pretty looking heels, but these might not be comfortable because the thing here is going to make it uncomfortable because काफी itchy है, and if you all can see it wear off हो रहा है, चमकी निकल रही है. So that is the thing about these heels. There is a lining thing, so grip तो है, but still I think this is very reasonable. I got this for rupees 543 only, and look how pretty this looks. Again, it has a crisscross pattern that I love, but I think the chunky is wearing off and this is not comfortable to walk. This is not the kind of heel that you can walk in for hours. Quality wise, I don't think it is quite nice, but price के हिसाब से I think it is good. So I would like to give this a 6.5 on 10. So with this pair, we come to an end of our haul. If you all enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram because मैं वहाँ पर भी post करती रहती हूँ. So yeah, this was it to the haul. I hope you all enjoyed it thoroughly, and yeah, Bye. See you in the next video.